Welcome to the Parent Conference Day website. In order to use it, you will have to log in and create a secured account first. To do so, please click on the first step, Create a Secured Account. Here you will have to enter different credentials as well as a valid email address. An important aspect is to have a secured password with a minimum of 5 alphabetical signs or numbers. And then click on Register. As you will see, it is stipulated that you have created your account and need to go to your website in order to activate this and go back to the website. Here we just received an email from our school, a library website, allowing us to see the different information. And as you can see, it just asks you to activate the link, which you should have to type or click on this link as with as such. You would have here a resume of your entered username as well as the password you gave us, in case you lost it. Now you've been forwarded to the school website again, and as you can see, there is a new link now allowing you to directly access the login, because activation is not. Enter your requested password. You can decide to remember this or not. It would actually nothing change, since the system will automatically log you off after 15 minutes. Now, as you can see, extra navigation points just appeared on the top, which is actually exactly what we needed, which is actually the point number 3, make an appointment. Make an appointment refers to teacher's time slot. This is what we're going to do, and click directly on make an appointment. The system automatically recognizes you and enter then the information we gave before. Now please enter the name of your student. So that we know to which of your child this logging refers to. Now select the right teacher that you would like to see, and as you can see, we have a description here of the room number, which we'll see then after in the overview. Select now one of the time you would like to see this person, let's say 10 o'clock in the morning, and now submit the request. If you're not filling one of those elements, you will receive an error message. Now validation is okay. This whole information page is not really relevant. You could use it in the future. It is sent automatically to your email address, so that when you would like to do a cancellation, it is still possible to do it online. But now we would like to select more other time slots from the databases by looking at this. It gives you here a warning pop-up, different from Internet Explorer or from Firefox, but just to trust this, it will actually refill the form you had before by clicking. As you can see, indeed everything has been filled up again, the name of your child also, and now just select another person. We will follow the same again and say having the next time slot at, let's say 10:30 or 10:10, 10:15 to 10:30, and submit the request. And finally a third person for this example, which would be regarding where my child is, As you can see, we have a whole list of all the teachers and information regarding the different grades, but I would say Mr. Missy for math is the one I wanted, and I will give now the 11th and therefore submit a request. You will have to be careful not to do exactly the same time slot to different teachers so that you will not have an overview. This is what we're going to try now in order to understand what will be then the problems. Let's say Mr. Cunningham, and then we had a time slot at 10:15. It does not recognize that you already had something. So in order to make sure you will not have a double times schedule, you should go to the conference overview. And as you can see here, you do have the same time slot for those two persons. So now you have the chance to delete one of those two. Let's say Mr. Cunningham, and it says here you have been deleted. Go back now to the time slot in order to select again Mr. Cunningham. Unfortunately, you will have to enter the name of your child again here because the error has not been taken over. And we'll select again Mr. Cunningham. As you see, the time slot has not been taken anymore, so now we will take another time slot available. If a time slot is already been taken, you can see it right away. And let's say we had Miss Semelchi, so we'll ask her again, Miss Semelchi. As you can see, the time slot has been taken, so it confirms the fact that you had that time slot, and also it doesn't allow you to take it anymore. For any other problems, you could indeed use the contact form, which we have here on the side, or you could follow the help data, which is a very nice. This is it for our online video tutorial. You can also follow the step-by-step into the help file you have here on the side. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck for entering the data in our website.